Contour Design, and I'm speaking to Patrick. How are you today?
I'm very well, thank you, and nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So tell me a little bit more about your company.
So Contour Design have been around for quite a few years now. We're actually specialists in ergonomic mouses. So we actually produce something called Roller Mouse, which is a truly ergonomic alternative to the traditional computer mouse. So if you think about the mouse you probably use at home at the moment, lots of reaching to the side. From an ergonomic point of view, that's over a long period of time not good for you. It can exacerbate existing injuries. It can also obviously help bring those on if you're using a computer a lot of the time. So Roller Mouse actually is a central pointing device that enables you to work very quickly and very efficiently on any desktop computer.
Just in front?
Yeah, literally. As opposed to the traditional mouse on the side, a Roller Mouse sits in front of your keyboard and actually has a little bar that goes left and right, up and down, and the combinations of the two actually allow you to move your cursor around the screen. You can press down on the bar to actually highlight things or open new folders on the computer as well. And not only is it reducing pain that you might already have, it'll help prevent that, but once you get used to it, you can actually work more quickly on your computer in general as well.
And how easy is it to use?
Very, very easy. Most people will pick it up and be fairly confident with it within probably about half an hour. For some people it does take a little bit longer. You know, if you consider that, you know, people my generation have probably been using the traditional mouse for about 40 years, sometimes it's difficult to forget the bad lessons that you learn, but jump on a Roller Mouse, a little bit of tuition is often useful, you know, from somebody that knows how to use it, but most people take to it very, very quickly.
Very interesting, and I want to know more. So you'll show us a little bit more, give us a little bit of a demonstration?
Yeah, we can do your demonstration, and actually you can hop on the computer and have a go yourself too.
Wonderful, thank you.
So this is introducing our top-end Roller Mouse Red. So this is the very best in the range of products that we do. We've actually got it paired with our own designed balanced keyboard. You can use it with more or less any computer keyboard that you already have. But the idea is that Roller Mouse sits very closely in front of your keyboard here. Now, instead of all the side movement that you get with a traditional mouse, which is obviously not good for you, the bar here allows you left and right, up and down. And if you notice, just using my fingertips, combinations of the two actually allow me to navigate around the screen very quickly and very easily. The bar itself is actually really cool because if you just press the bar down, it's actually also a mouse click.
Oh, so you just click that?
Yeah. So the days of doing awkward manoeuvres, lots of double clicking that you often hear in offices around the world, you know, that double click that people do. We even have a button here that actually does a double click for you. So why press a button twice when you can press it once, you know? So it's a great labour saving device.
That is very impressive. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.